When we're running a business, managing a remote team, or simply juggling multiple demanding projects, we often find ourselves struggling to keep up with our computing needs. Are you tired of using outdated, low-performance workstations that consistently bottleneck your workflow and hinder productivity? Today, I'll be reviewing a product that may just change the game for corporate IT departments, small businesses, and creative professionals alike: the Dell 2026 Pro Tower desktop. Built to tackle even the most demanding analytics, multi-application workflows, content creation, and data processing, this behemoth of a computer is designed with the latest Intel Core i7-14700 Pro processor, 20-core, up to 5.2 GHz, that delivers unparalleled power and performance. One of the biggest pain points corporate IT departments face is the constant struggle to find a balance between hardware, software, security, and budget. It's a delicate dance to keep up with the evolving landscape of technology, ensuring that workstations stay current and efficient without sacrificing security or breaking the bank. That's precisely why this new Dell Pro Tower aims to provide enterprise-grade performance for corporate, SMB environment, and creative professionals. Now, let's take a closer look at this magnificent machine. Upon first inspection, you'll notice its sleek, jet black design exudes a sense of sophistication, perfectly suited for a corporate environment. Measuring 15.5 by 14.7 by 10.1 inches and weighing a modest 31.3 pounds, it's compact enough for any workspace or office deployment while still commanding presence. Upon disassembling the tower, I was impressed by the build's exceptional quality, featuring high-quality cable management, sturdy components, and an impressive array of expansion slots for future upgrades. The interior is also remarkably quiet, housing the impressive 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processor without a sound, thanks to the clever design of this particular chassis. But what truly sets this Dell Pro Tower apart is its focus on security. As any corporate IT administrator will attest, protecting sensitive data is paramount. That's why this machine is loaded with Dell's proprietary security software, utilizing AI-powered security, threat detection, and response tools to safeguard your company's assets in real time. Another game-changing feature is its 20-core Intel Core i7-14700 Pro processor. Not only does it boast up to 5.2 GHz speeds, but also provides advanced vPro management capabilities, enabling remote management and support, making it perfect for business environments with a large number of devices. The 32 GB DDR5 RAM provides an ample amount of memory for demanding workloads, but I'd argue that 64 GB will be even better for those truly high-end workloads such as large video editing, simulation, and AI computing. Now, let's talk storage. A 1 TB NVMe SSD offers exceptional read and write speeds, ensuring applications launch faster and data access is seamless. The combination of Intel's 12th Gen Core i7 and this high-performance storage makes this machine an absolute beast for demanding tasks. But how does this behemoth perform in real-world scenarios? I ran various demanding tasks on this workstation, ranging from 4K video editing to high-performance gaming and data compression. To my surprise, this Dell Pro Tower handled every task I threw at it with ease, demonstrating unparalleled power and flexibility. However, there are some caveats. First, the power consumption is slightly higher than I'd have liked, but that's a trade-off for the exceptional performance on offer. Second, the system did get quite warm during intense usage. Compared to other high-end options, the Dell Pro Tower desktop stacks up remarkably well against competing products, such as the HP Z1 or Lenovo ThinkStation P53, offering similar specs and performance at a slightly more competitive price point. Ultimately, this Dell Pro Tower desktop has impressed me greatly. Its blend of exceptional performance, robust security features, and ease of use makes it the perfect solution for any corporate IT department, small business, or creative professional seeking to unlock their workflow potential. In conclusion, the Dell Pro Tower desktop represents a step forward in workstation technology, delivering on its promises of unparalleled power and performance for demanding workloads. Although it's not without its trade-offs, this machine will undoubtedly revolutionize the way corporate IT departments and creative professionals approach high-performance computing needs. If you're seeking to upgrade to a high-powered workstation that keeps up with the demands of modern business without sacrificing security, the Dell Pro Tower deserves to be at the top of your shopping list. Trust me, it will transform the way you work. Don't hesitate any longer. Get your new Dell 2026 Pro Tower desktop today.